Oh, y'all just want to do without the beat? Oh, well, fuck it. We gonna do it like this on radio station motherfucking 187.4, bitch. W Ballz Part 2, huh? Peep Gang Broadcasting. Provided by motherfucking Emena, huh? Emena, not Enema. Enema. I'm saying it, baby. I just said it long. In your motherfucking ass, I won't care like this. We gon' clean it up like this, huh, bitch?
Man, what a bitch. Gangsta shit. I'll scrape up the cement and hit. I never loved me. Y'all bitches in case you didn't know. I break through all niggas way. Come on, niggas, fuck all y'all niggas. Sawed off y'all niggas and I'm creeping. Gangsta shit, tell a bitch to stick a dick in the mouth.
Had to skip to my new seat. Been up against the cold hearted shit. Can't let this fuck that up. Yeah, the best sport jackets. Always stay fresh, won't stop. Loop out, satin out.
Man, these niggas other crew super fly coming through. I got a dick and a couple balls. No doubt, niggas get choked out. Smoked out, niggas that are fucking up. No doubt. It's the gangsta tip. It seems so simple like that was not trippin, flippin, dippin on the floor. West Coast nigga, yeah. Universal, but no when I'm in the hood, I'm just so controversial. Niggas know me, homie. West Coast down, I smoke you. I'm a dude, so much this thing. I'm moving to the neck. Not to mention all my no limit niggas now. We do a G style like that. Trick that goofy ass bitch, super fly, super high, rough cats, that fucking gangsta shit. 20 insane, that's the Crip, 19th Street Crip, where the gangsters hang. It's a gang thing, we all gang bang.
My niggas get Tick-tock. To get there when the gangsta and the flaggin with the snap train. Like the flaggin with the front foot, and be the last man standing, whoopin niggas around. Brand blue bandanas who out his hand. So what job on the set? What job on the dope? Niggas trippin' wild.
fuck? I heard it was DPG.